Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily remove frequently used stickers on your iPhone keyboard. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, be sure to put likes under this video, and also write your comments after watching it. So, let's get on with our topic, friends. And if you want to find the stickers on your iPhone keyboard, you'll need to open up any app where you can type and tap on the message bar, and then at the bottom, tap on stickers. And at first you will see the stickers that you frequently use in your iPhone keyboard. And in order to delete them, you will have to do one very easy action. To do this, open the settings on your iPhone. After that, select Basic and then Keyboard. And now scroll down a little bit. At the very bottom, you will find a section called Stickers. And the only thing you'll need to do to remove your stickers on your keyboard is to disable this option by clicking on the button so that it becomes grayed out. Then you can exit the settings already, and when you open the sticker on your iPhone keyboard, you'll see that your frequently used stickers are gone. Friends, with this very quick and simple method, you can easily remove frequently used stickers on your iPhone keyboard. I really hope this video was useful to you and that it helped you. Please don't write comments and be sure to subscribe to the channel. See you soon, friends.